active agents of sexually transmitted disease. First, there are agents that causes local manifestation, that is genital tract infection. And then there are agents which causes systemic manifestation, that is there will be no local lesion, only systemic manifestation, like HIV, hepatitis B virus and hepatitis C virus. HIV, hepatitis B and hepatitis C causes systemic manifestation. In local manifestation, first category is the agent that causes STIs in both sex, like genito-ulcerative disease. Example of genito-ulcerative disease are syphilis, cancroid, genital herpes, lymphogranuloma venereum, and donovanosis. Syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum, cancroid by Haemophilus duckeri, genital herpes by herpes simplex virus. It is a virus. Genital herpes is caused due to a virus. Then lymphogranuloma venereum by Chlamydia trachomatis, donovanosis by Klebsiella granulomatis. So genito-ulcerative disease like syphilis by Treponema pallidum, cancroid by Haemophilus duckeri, genital herpes by herpes simplex virus, lymphogranuloma venereum by Chlamydia trachomatis, and donovanosis by Klebsiella granulomatis. Then urethritis is of two types. First is gonococcal urethritis caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Neisseria gonorrhoeae causes gonococcal urethritis. Non-gonococcal urethritis is caused by Chlamydia trachomatis. Chlamydia trachomatis also causes lymphogranuloma venereum. Then genital mycoplasmas like ureaplasma, ureaplasma, mycoplasma genitalium, and mycoplasma hominis. So genital mycoplasmas causes non-gonococcal urethritis. Then herpes simplex virus, Candida albicans, and Trichomonas vaginalis. Gonococcal urethritis by Neisseria gonorrhoeae, non-gonococcal urethritis by Chlamydia trachomatis. Chlamydia trachomatis also causes lymphogranuloma venereum. Then genital mycoplasmas like ureaplasma urelyticum, mycoplasma genitalium, and mycoplasma hominis. Herpes simplex virus, Candida albicans, and Trichomonas vaginalis. Other genital tract infection common to both sexes like genital tuberculosis due to Mycobacterium tuberculosis, anorectal lesions में proctitis which is caused by HSV, gonococcus, and Chlamydia trachomatis. HSV, gonococcus, Chlamydia trachomatis causes proctitis. Proctitis by Chlamydia trachomatis, gonococcus, and HSV. And anogenital warts which is caused by human papilloma virus. Human papilloma virus causes anogenital warts. There are certain STIs which is seen in female only like vulvovaginitis, mucopurulent cervicitis, pelvic inflammatory disease, infection after gynecologic surgeries, and infection in pregnancies and postpartum. So vulvovaginitis is caused by bacterial vaginosis, trichomoniasis, and candidiasis. Vulvovaginitis is caused by bacterial vaginosis, trichomoniasis, and candidiasis. Mucopurulent cervicitis is caused by gonococcus and Chlamydia trachomatis. Then we have pelvic inflammatory disease, infection after gynecologic surgeries, and infection in pregnancy and postpartum. STIs which is seen in male only are prostatitis, epididymitis, and orchitis. prostatitis, epididymitis, and orchitis. So this is caused in males only.